Double up. Double up.
Oh, mine's a little fat boy.
Oh, mine's good. Oh. Alright, y'all. Today we are going out to the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. We are going to be doing some fishing on the pilings on the last 2 days of the Tautog season. We end up getting 3 keepers, I think, in the end, and then we go red fishing. I don't record any of that, but hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, and this is going to be a good one. I'll see you guys out there. How deep are we? Oh, it doesn't say, because we don't have the thing turned on. How's that feel? This is weird. Put a bump. How are we gonna sit like this? Oh, it's a toad. That might be keeper. They're all gonna be like that size today, I think.
I bet he's like 15.
They gotta be 16, so if he's there, he's there.
A long ball down. There you go. The orange jig is doing.
That might be better.
Much better to set. These, I think.
Fun fight. Oh, that might. Oh, no. Me?
Yeah.
I'm stuck on you?
Yeah.
Oh god, this is a mess. I'll put him on there. He is 15.
Small. No, maybe. Maybe not. He's digging actually.
Might be that sheep's head. I'm gonna throw me a fiddler. How's he? Oh, that might be actually. No, that's gonna be a keeper, dude. Check it. Oh, he's off. Bait's still on there though. Oh, that's something small. That's something different. Might be that oyster. Yeah, it's that oyster toad. Oh, it's a sea bass. Look at that. That's what's eating my blue crab.
Not a song at all.
Oh yeah. There she is. Ooh. These things fight. What is that? That's weird. Oh, Tog.
A fat dog.
Oh wow.
That
might be a keeper.
That might go.
That's gonna be a keeper. Oh, 15. I guess he was right saying there's gonna be a bunch of undersized ones today. Oh, lost my bait. There's dolphins out there. I was looking at the dolphins and not looking at my bait.
Takes it back though.
Oh. Ooh. Yeah, come over here.
Should we change spots here?
I say we catch a few more. Because I feel like there's some good ones down there that we're just missing. Oh, black drum.
No, it's a hog bug.
Oh my god. Do you see the way that thing hits?
Tautog.
That's not a Tautog bite. Oh. That's better. Nah, maybe. He just dug for a little bit. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a keeper right there, bud. First keeper. No, that's 16 for sure.
Spot is weird.
Oh, there he goes. Yep.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Nah, he's not gonna be it. He's small. It feels like an oyster toad now. Oh, no. That's short.
Walk.
Oh, still got my bait. Alright, get out of here, bud. Oh, he's just a little fighter, eh? I thought it was a good one. Mike just doesn't horse him up like we do, so they don't look that big. There you go. That's good? That's gonna be your net fish.
No, but
Or is he just fighting hard? Double up! Double up!
oh, mine's a little fat boy.
Oh, mine's good. Oh,
That's weird.
that might be a black drum.
What a
Oh no, I'm in the wreck. I'm in the wreck, Gabe. That's good fish.
bait back down there.
Mike, get down. That might be a good one. Yup, good fish, good fish. Might be our sheep's head, actually. Oh, yeah. Flipping keepers, bud. Flipping keepers.
Wait, flipped him? Oh, Dave. That's
Shoo!
like a 7.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. Ready, watch. Barely hooked. Not even in the mouth, in the nose.
Oh.
Here, I'll take this. Let me take this stuff out. First keeper of the day, he was like 17. They fight so hard on this light rod. It's the same stuff I was using for sheep's head back in shore. Oh, I'm not too far off. Toad fish! My first of the day. Yeah, it's a toad. Tautog don't fight like that. You know what fights like that? Big old toadies! There's that big old ugly toad. Small. See, you gotta horse him up like that.
Oh my lord, geez, little turd. Little turd.
Little turd bucket. He got thumped. Oh, there he is.
That might be a...
Double up. Let's get doubled up. This is the assembly line. Can we get a double up on tinies? Zing! That's that little dingleberry bite. I've lost count. We definitely beat the amount we've had last time. We will today, I bet. Unless we run out of bait. Oh. Am I?
That might go. That might be it. Oh yeah. You gotta keep going. Haven't had enough piling, boy. Gotta stop.
That's that wreck down there. Yeah, he's coming up. He's swimming up.
Wait.
Oh no. That's gonna go. That's gonna be it.
Oh, he's stuck in the rocks. Dude.
Yeah, he's stuck in the rocks. Oh no, it's a good fish too. Come on. I got a good fish. He's in the rocks. He's still on there though. Here, move him. Maybe he'll swim out. No, it's a fish. Yeah, look, he's running. He's in the rocks. Oh, he's out. Oh no, it's you. It's you. Get off, dude. It's a good fish. Oh my god, I got a good fish.
I can't see you move it. Just wait.
This is the only problems you figure out with Gabe. He's still on.
Yeah, he's stuck in the rock still. Now, please. Hey, five.
Good fish.
Taped up. Bad.
Good fish.
Toadfish?
Not a toad.
Oh, that's a nice pop. You better net that thing good.
Oh, Mike. Oh, Mike.
That's like a... Oh, man.
He was in the rocks.
Wow.
Wow, that's a big one. Go for his last one. Give scissors. Come on, bleed him. Yep, yep. No, come on, get off. Got him. Yeah. Took how much room to get leverage on it.
I think it's time to head out of this spot.
Hey, he gave you my bait pack.
You want to head it closer to the pilings, Gabe, like you want to?
There he is.
Now that's not no toadfish.
Haven't felt a tog in a bit.
That's a T-tall. Oh.
Oh, it's a black sea bass. Put that guy on the bump or the measure.
No, he's too small.
How big do they have to be?
4. No.
12? That guy might be 12 Gabe.
5.
Check it, check it. There's so many. Bud literally called the toadfish.
He's a giant too. Never mind.
There's fish.
Looking tasty.
These are tog bites. That's a fish, bud. Said it. Really? Yeah. It's not even a big one. Forget about this afternoon, we'll fish this. Because we haven't fished this all year. Yeah, let me just put a bait on.
One side. Oh, stay on that side.
You're like... That's not it. Hopefully it's not. I think it might be a sheep's head. I got it. Oh my god, I had it on. I got a toad. Well, I got a fish on. No, it's a black sea bass. That's what they are.
What the? Mine does not feel like that.
That ain't no sea bass, cuz. Got it. Oh god, we're both on. It's heavy, dude. It's like... Oh, it's a fat tog. Oh my god, that's a fat tog. Jeez. That's like a 3-pounder.
It's fat. Bad.
it's not. It's too small. Look at that Tautog. Yeah, he's 13 or 14. Next fish we catch, I'm adding it to the box.
That's not a toad, bud. That's a tog. That's a tog. Oh, not no.
Small. He's going in the box. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh,
No, bring it over here. Tautog.
there you go.
That's like a little one. He fights hard though.
What, had one?
Yeah, he was on there for a sec. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that was a good hit.
Good, bud. First. There's a tog. That's a big tog. That's a nice tog. Get him up, boy. That might be a box.
That's good.
Never mind.
So fat. Like I can't even. Oh, that might be. No, it's not. Put it on the ground.
The same fish you caught before?
No, it's not. They don't. They don't eat like that. Oh, another one. Shorts. There's got to be a black drum somewhere. I just want to hook into something and have it just like not move, and have it be alive and not a rock. You got a toad?
That's a toad. Double tog. Yeah, that's been eaten out.
That's a Tautog. That's that Tautog. Oh, that's a good Tautog. Oh, that's a good Tautog.
I don't know if it's that big.
That rod doesn't.
No, it's a toad.
You think it's a toad?
Yeah, it's a toad.
No, it's not a toad, Gabe.
Oh, it's a hold on, Gabe.
Gabe,
Oh, that's a tog. You're right.
is it
Not
good?
that big, though.
Oh no, that's gonna. That might be
Good
keeper.
size, right? Yeah, that's a good fish.
Gabe's got himself a toadfish.
What's the minimum?
16.
16.
Ooh.
Getting rocked now.
It's not even the wind, it's just the swell. Ooh, wow. Oh wow. God. It's just like. That might be a better one. Oh yeah, that. Is that a better one?
Yeah, it's a tog.
He's gonna be a flipper, but
What? Oh, yeah.
that's a keeper.
Nah, maybe.
Oh, that's gonna be like probably 14, 15. I think
it's 13 and a half.
I think it might be 7.
13 and a half.
Yeah. Oh, what's that mic? Yeah, it's small. Oh. Little Tautog.
Swells are brutal right here.
Oh. He's here.
Dude, it's been no big this whole time. That's why I'm not having any fights.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, it is a Tautog. Oh, wow. Oh, that actually might be keeper. That's actually gonna probably be a keeper. Watch out, big Mike.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's only 14. Oh,
That's 15 and a half.
that's sad. Stretch his lips.
Stretch his lips. His friends are down there. I asked them. Toady. I done got me a toadfish.
Yep.
Oh, it's not even a big one. There it is.
That's a.
Is that going to be a little bit better?
It's cold.
Oh, that's gonna be a keeper. You gonna flip it?
Oh, he's barely does.
Where's the net?
Here. Oh, small net?
Yeah, the small net.
No, it's just.
That's gonna be a keeper. Oh. Oh, I had one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I will see you in the next one, but before I go, I'm going to show you the combo I was using and the hooks and new like jig heads that were made for us that we were using that we're going to use in the future, made by a guy in Virginia Beach. Let me show you those things. Those right there are the jig heads that we were using. A little backstory on them. They were made by this guy in Virginia Beach. I'm going to leave a link to all of his Instagram and stuff in the description. They're basically these jig heads that he makes himself and he custom paints himself, and they basically are made for tog and sheepshead fishing. I was using this one, which I think it's a 1 ounce in this video. It's all banged up. Mike was using a this one right here. Just really nice hooks, really strong stuff, made for tog fishing and sheepshead fishing. So go check him out. And then this right here is the rod I was using. It's just the same one I was using last video, sheepshead fishing on the tunnel. It's a Shimano Clara 6.6 with a Shimano Nasi and I think 20-pound braid and 20-pound mono leader. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay salty. Peace out.